Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to do multiplication in assembly. It's actually really simple. So first of all, what you want to do is you can use variables for this as well technically, and that is fine, but I'm going to be using the, you know what I'm going to be using, the registers. First of all, I'm going to move some stuff into two registers, the EAX register, which is the accumulator register. And you might be thinking I've used it down here. That's fine. You need one of them to be in EAX so you can transfer variables into here. I'm going to put 4, and then I'm going to move, it doesn't matter what other register I use. I'm going to use ESP because I'm not using anything else. I just don't need to override it again. I'm going to do 2, and then I'm going to multiply it, you do MUL. Then you specify ESP. You don't specify the EAX register because the result will automatically go into the EAX register. Then what I'm going to do is move the contents of EAX into ESP. That way, these contents won't get overwritten when we essentially specify the system call. And now, obviously, if I run it, it just prints out the full hello world. But this 4 times 2 will give us 8. Therefore, we should only print out 8 characters when we do ESP. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is it. That's how you do multiplication. One last thing I want to mention is there are 2 sort of different ways that you can do multiplication in assembly. There's using the MUL operator, and then the command, and then there's using the IMUL. So the MUL operator is for unsigned data, and if you don't know what unsigned data is, it's just whole numbers, and signed data is for negative numbers. I mean, just like positive values. The signed data is for negative values as well. So if that is of interest to you, feel free to use MUL or IMUL. But apart from that, it's the same thing. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.